Hello everyone, today I will record a short video about the branch selector in Apache Airflow. It's a very useful feature because based on some condition you can choose which task to run. Let's dive a little in our code. So to declare a branch selector we can use decorator task.branch. But there also another way to declare a branch selector using a task called branch Python operator. But the recommended way is to use task.branch. So inside the decorator we define a function. The name of the function will be name of the branch. So for example, in my case is branch selector. So it's have the same name. Then we have some condition. For example, if something, return the task ID. This is task ID. So it will be the task name. And after declaring the branch selector, you just use it as any other task declaring dependencies. For example, branch selector go after my task group. Branch selector go after task group. Now, and this is how branches work in Apache Airflow. It's very simple. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.